Let's take a look at Toncoin for the first time on the channel. I think I announced that I bought this on a YouTube short a few weeks ago. Now, I have maybe like a mid-size bag myself personally, for what I consider a mid-size bag. So yeah, let's just take a quick look at the technical analysis here. Now, we are struggling here with the $4.88 mark on a weekly time frame. This is resistance at the moment. We're trying to break that. Now, we are looking at this on the wrong time frame. This is the daily time frame that we're looking at right now, but this is a weekly resistance. So we do need to break this and hold this, on Sunday when we move to Monday. And yeah, I mean, right now we are starting to make a little bit, higher lows, as you can see. So this is a good start, but it's not everything. So we do have to start moving up and making higher highs, basically, not higher lows, but we need to make higher highs at the moment. So basically, if we take out $5.36, I think that'll be the start, because that'll take out a lot of the range that we've been trading in since beginning of October. So that would be nice to see first. Look at this on a weekly time frame, just to see if we can see anything here. So yeah, we have, Toncoin has just been coming down since its inception, basically. But that's basically what you kind of expect with these newer coins. I picked up Toncoin, I think around $5.30, $5.40. I think it was somewhere back, in this week or so, end of September. When it crashed down quite a bit. So, I think at this level, it's not a bad buy. I do think this is good support here at $4.88. And we've bounced off this several times. So I do expect that we will get a bounce here and, continue forward with Toncoin. Now, if we take a quick look at the tokenomics, about half of the circulating supply is out from what they say is the total supply. Now, the max supply is infinite, so that's not good to see. But I still think Toncoin is a coin that, will surge in the future. Keep in mind, Solana, I believe, doesn't have a max supply too. Ethereum also. So, it's not that it's a major limit. It can go, it can do what Ethereum has done or Solana has done. They just have to be careful not to inflate it too much. Now, if you go to the tokenomist here and you try to look for the inflation rates, the how they release the tokens, I mean, there is nothing here. I can't find anything with Ton. If anybody can find anything about the emissions or token unlocks or whatever, let me know. But I can't find anything there, guys. Quick look at Bitcoin here. We've been falling for the last several days. Not really nice to see. Yesterday was kind of disastrous. Right now, we're just sitting a little bit above 69,000 at 69.2. But we didn't really retest this, support here at 68.4. We kind of blasted through, and I don't know if we tested it on the 4-hour. Let me just take a quick look and go back. Now, okay, we may have tested that on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, if I zoom in here, it was retested here, but on a daily or weekly time frame, that wasn't retested. So, the longer the time frame, the better. So that may be why Bitcoin is trying to come down to retest what we broke. And yeah, I mean, we're pretty close to that right now. The monthly returns, guys, September was the largest monthly return that we had ever had. Now, a lot of people were expecting a giant October. Now, 10% is not bad, but after you have the biggest September that you've ever had, you can kind of expect that October is going to be huge, but it really wasn't that big. And it was actually only well, it actually was the second worst green month that we can say that we ever had. But in September we had the the best green month. So I don't know, maybe we, went up too much in September and it kind of, took a little bit away from October. But it's hard to say, guys. And right now, November is down, but November is typically a good month if you look at this. There have been 4 red Novembers, but we'll see, guys. We just have to wait and see what happens. Now, if we take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys, it is coming down from the top at 60.34, as you can see here. Good to see. But if we take a look at crypto bubbles, some things are green, some things red. It's about maybe 30% green at the moment, and ton, as we said, in this video, is only up 1.6% at the moment. But there isn't much that's really up, guys. So there's, it's slim pickings when it comes to making this video. But I noticed that I hadn't made a video on ton. That's why I'm doing it now. So today in the economic calendar, we kind of had a disastrous non-farm payroll. As you can see here, we had 12K. They were expecting at least 106. And the previous, we had a giant non-farm payroll at 223. And I know it was similar, I think, expectations like we had today. And we exceeded it by a lot. But this time, it was disastrous, guys. So this was the main number that we were looking forward to today. Now, there were some other numbers that were good, some bad. It was kind of a mix. Now, if we take a quick look at the interest rate cut, hopefully this will load quickly. It does appear that about 96% believe that we're going to get a quarter-point cut. Let me see if this will refresh, though. I think I saw 99 right before this video, so it's kind of weird that it went back to 96. Okay, so yeah, it stands at 96 now. Not sure why that changed just a few minutes ago, but this thing constantly changes. And anyways, guys, it does look like we'll get a quarter-point cut next Thursday. Now, if we take a quick look here at the altcoin season index, let me try to refresh this too. Still 29, guys, so we're just kind of really hanging around about 29 to 32, 33, 34, and yeah, I mean, it's just, we've been in this zone for quite a while, basically, as you can see. Now, if we look at the fear and greed, basically it's at 75. That is going to come down greatly tomorrow. If I refresh, yeah, okay, it's still 75. I think we'll probably be around 50 to 55 probably tomorrow. And that's due to these giant red candles now, So I'm a little bit surprised, though, that we're still so high, 75. It's kind of crazy. So as I said in previous videos, you can kind of expect a crash when you stay up here a little bit too long. Now, you can stay a while in the greed, but, we weren't that long in the greed, really. But, yeah, you kind of start to worry when you see this turn so green. So if you want to stake your Toncoin, you can put it in Bitrue. There is 8% there right now, it says. Now, I was staking it the other day. I think it was for 20%, so I'm not sure if they've changed this recently, but probably it has changed. They usually like to entice people, and then they change it, of course. And if I take a look at it right now, just personally, I actually don't see it. Where is it? No, it is here. Yeah, it is 8%, guys. So I can confirm they have lowered that to 8%. It was 20. But hey, it's whatever. So yeah, you do have a possibility of Gate.io. Now, as I said the other day, I did start accumulating Gate token. That doesn't mean I trust Gate.io. I'm just putting little bits and pieces of money, free money that I get, and accumulating Gate token. And I gave my reasons for that in a YouTube short, so you can check out that if you want. But anyways, guys, yeah, you just need to check Coinondo, type in ton, and you'll find all the possibilities here. So anyways, guys, that's what ton looks like at the moment. It is taking a little bit of a dip, I think, right here under this line right now. I'm not sure, maybe Bitcoin is dipping. Yeah, it is dipping down a little bit more, a few $100 since we started this video. So it was at 69.3, I believe, when we started the video, and now it's just above 69. and it may dip under. So we do have support here at 68, let's say 5. Let's see if we go that low. Hopefully we don't. Hopefully we can recover a little bit and at least close above 69.5 or so and hold this level here on the daily time frame. Anyways, guys, that's all I got for you today. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.